Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we'll be working on the CLK today. Right here we have at the shop, so we have more than 100 videos. If you have one of those, W208 Mercedes, subscribe, guys. Let's grow the channel together. Hopefully we save you some money in the future. And we have the Beamer, that's the main build on World Mechanics, our second channel. Check it out, guys. So we'll demonstrate how to remove and replace the trunk. Okay, the trunk lock right here on that CLK. It should be the same for convertible and coupe as well, the W208. So what we're going to need, guys, is a T30. Okay, right here you can see the T30 bit like that. So what we need to do, we need to remove, there is two screws right here. You can see bolts with that T30 that we need to remove, and it's very important how you remove it. Okay, you can see where it was, so we can adjust it later. That way it closes right. And now we have to be very gentle. You need to pull it in an angle. Watch now. This thing needs to come out first. That's the lock right here. And then, okay, it's going to come only one way. Okay, like that. Now it's important not to put too much pressure. This is the vacuum hose that locks and unlocks with the power locks. Okay, so we need to actually spread those a little bit so we can pull it out. It's not as easy. Okay, just almost there. Okay, and it came out, guys. You can see like that. When you install it, all you have to do is just push it in. This wire, you need to press that thing in and pull it out. Okay, like that. Then we have one more that we need to do. Okay, this one you need to spread it right there and pry it out. Okay, and it's out of the way, and that's the last one, the yellow one, the same way, guys. And this is the lock. You can see, not very complicated procedure. Stay with us and we're gonna show you how we're gonna put it back together now. So we're ready to go ahead and install it now. So we're going to connect the wires first. That will be the first thing we do, easiest as well. You cannot mismatch those, they go only one way. Okay, like that. And we have the last one there, and we need to install the vacuum hose as well, not to forget that one, because otherwise the central locking will not work. Okay, and I need to find it. It's all the way in, so it needs to come on this side and just push it in until it clicks. Okay, like that. Now it goes only one way. We need to feed it through here. Okay, now you need to make sure that the lock is lining up. Okay, everything's good there. And all we got left is just install the two screws, the two bolts. Get those tight. Gotta make sure that everything lines where it was. Otherwise, if it's not lining up, it might not close and open real easy. Okay, perfect. In our case, we have a dead battery, so we'll charge it in a little bit. But that's the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.